Hi, let me show you how to use this immersive module. First, I'll show you how to move around. There's a few ways you can do this. You can click and hold the Shift key and then use your arrow keys. You can click and drag using your mouse. If you're using a device with a touch screen, you can use that. Or you can click on any of these arrows and they'll move you a certain amount in the given direction. If you'd like to see some other navigation buttons, you can just look down using any of the aforementioned methods, and you'll see all these buttons. You can use the suggestions buttons to contact us. You can click on Help and view the help screen, go back, repeat the touch point, or skip to the next touch point. Here in the help screen, you'll be able to see some more instructions if you forget. You'll be able to view the handbook. And if you look down, you'll be able to jump into any touch point of the module. To get out, just click Close. It'll take you back to where you were. And I'll also show you some of the actual features of the module. At any point, you can click Audio on and off. Right now, you can't hear anything, and that's just because I've got it set to quiet so you can hear me. You can also click on Suggestions up here, and you can click on Read More throughout the module. This will take you to a PDF, which is relevant to your touchpoint. We have many different kinds of content. We have videos. You just click the X up here to get out. And we also have pop-ups and training boards. This whole thing is a pop-up, and this little part here is a training board. In the training board, you can click on any of these buttons to listen to audio. If you want the audio to stop, you can just click it off. And to exit out of the pop-up, just click this door. To go to the next touch point, or to go back to the previous touch point, if it's one of the 2-in-1s, you can just look around and you'll be able to find a next or back button. Just click on that and it'll navigate you to the next point. And that's pretty much it.